How's it going, guys? It's Saturday. Life is good. I'm excited for this video. It's video number 3 of this channel, and I'm kind of playing with the editing, but it was a good day. We went out to my buddy Trevor's, and he was nice enough to let us use his bandsaw mill. We had some cedar kicking around that we've been meaning to mill up, and it's really cool because the wood we used from the cedar that was a windfall, we're just sharing it around. Trevor's letting me use his mill, so we're getting him a fireplace mantle. Jeff also helped me pull the cedar out, and we're building his garden shed. And I'm getting some posts and beams for my wood shed. So everything kind of goes in a big circle around here in a small community. And I just want to show you from the start of the day to the end of the day of what we did. So we got to run the bandsaw, we got some good lumber out of it, and then we got to start building the shed. It's coming along really good. It's not quite finished yet, but you'll get a really good glimpse of this project build in this video. I hope you all enjoy. I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Hey folks, we're here at the mill getting some cedar out. Did a fireplace mantle for a buddy. Now we're getting some 1x6 for the shed siding. Keep you posted. Hey guys, a little update here. Starting to rain. We had to shut the mill down just to get out of the weather there, but we've got nice siding 1x6s for the garden shed. We've got 6x8 beams for my wood shed, king beams. And over here we got a couple fireplace mantles, all with cedar, but I gotta show you this. I'm too excited. Look at that. Oh, Western red cedar. So Jeff and we got the exterior one side all completed, along with a front fascia board. Old Jeffy's in there doing some interior work, fixing her up so the birds don't come in. Looking good. Western red cedar all milled today. Pretty awesome. You guys stay tuned for more. Hit like and subscribe.